Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you magic. How you can make your own and smelly candles out of trash, organic orange peels. So that was pre-made, but I will make the process from the beginning. I have the cheapest orange in Vietnam. You can take any orange which you have, or even lime or lemon. We take the orange and we make this cut in the middle. Not deep, only the skin. After that, we need to be patient when we will take the skin off. Take the glass and put it under your orange while you will remove the skin. This is a juicy process. You need to be careful because at the end you will have two sides of your orange skin. While you taking the flesh from the orange, you need to be careful because this what will be in the future, this wick for your future candle, it should not be removed and it should stay connected to the bottom side, to the first side of your candle, because otherwise I will show you what will happen. So this is my upper side of my candle, and now I need to carefully remove the flesh from the bottom side. I was not careful enough, but I will show you what to do in this situation. We need to remove the wick from the flesh. From this you can make a juice, whatever you like. So now you need something, maybe a needle, something to connect the removed wick from the bottom part of an orange skin. But sometimes it can be stabilized even without it. Now you take the oil, the cheapest cooking oil you can find, and now you pour this oil into the orange skin. You need at least half of it to be filled. Sadly, but my wick fell and I really need to connect it somehow to the bottom. For these purposes, I will use the wick handler from the finished candle. Now I am just connecting them, and because of the metal and because of the weight and because of the surface of this handler, it should be stable. So now it's stable and we can fire our candle. If you want to make it even more stable, use some stick. For example, I will use this wooden stick. Now finally it is stable. Now we can fire up our candle. At the beginning you will need some time, but eventually it will work, because at the beginning it needs to become dry a little bit more. Now the fun part. You can do whatever you want with the upper part of your candle, but for sure you need to make a hole at the center, because otherwise your fire will not remain. I have one candle with a smile face on it, and now I will make something different. You can do it from both sides, from the inside or from the outside, but it's a little easier to make it from the inside because the skin there is softer. And now you can place it on the bottom part of your candle. And also it will smell really good, like in the spa salon, because the orange will warm up and eventually the skin will smell very nice. And also this is a great way to improve your New Year's mood. And also you don't need to buy pricey candles with smell. Now you have one of your own. More than that, it is much cheaper even compared to the cheapest candles available. And believe me, I know, because now I live in the cheapest country on earth, in Vietnam. This is even cheaper than like these candles for 20 cents a piece. So good luck you with your organic candles and have fun, and see you in the next videos.